Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today we're going to check out a product for your car or for home from Audew. And Audew make dash cams as well and other pieces of tech. This is a wireless vacuum cleaner, and straight off the box you can see some spelling errors here, which isn't a good start, but that's not what we're here to look at. So we've got high power for dry or wet use and a HEPA filter. On the back here it will tell us that it's a vacuum cleaner designed for rechargeable lithium battery vacuum cleaner. With versatile use for home car, given USB such as machine without electricity. This charging line will continue to be used when it's full of electricity. Exquisite process, reasonable design, easy to use and convenient. And the tech specs are power 120 watts, battery 18650 2SIP, 7.4 volts and 2200 milliamp hours, and suction value 2.5 to 3.5 kPa. So let's have a look and see what it's like. If we can pop off this sticker here. And it comes with a nice carry bag, which is cool, with the Audew branding, and it's got a strap, so that's pretty nice to keep everything together. We have a tube here, we have some brushes here, which is cool. We have our power here, which is just a standard power outlet there. We have our instruction book, and I'm just going to have a quick look at that. So it'll give us information as to what is what. So it does collect and cover, storehouse switch, comfort handle, suction nozzle, brush, filter screen, power switch, hose and connection head. So that's about it on that. And we've got the unit itself, which looks pretty cool indeed. Looks like one of those Dyson kind of things. So it's got a nice matte finish on here. It's a nice soft rubbery kind of touch to it. This is plastic here. That's the power switch there, and there's power in it, and it feels pretty strong, and you'll charge it here, and we presume this is where you will empty the basket here, and that's your filter in there. So it looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to give it a quick try, make sure this is on, and see actually how strong it is. We'll just put that down for example. So that's just a quick first look. We'll put it to the test now in the vehicle and see how good it is with some of the attachments, and it's pretty cool that you get all these guys with it. So this will just pop in here like so, and same for this lad here, and this will be for your hose, so that'll just pop in here like so, and you'll have a hose or whatever the case may be, and then you can simply attach other attachments on. We've all got the same end, it's universal end. So yeah, this will be for more or less hard to reach spots and so on, but it's a nice complete kit. The bit I don't see is, which I read on the box, USB charging, so we'll have to check that out if we can do it. So you probably want an adapter in your vehicle for that, and you might be able to charge it. This plug doesn't come apart in any other way. So I'll put it to the test and see what it's like, but so far pretty nice, lightweight as well, pretty simple to use, and there only seems to be one level of suction. That's it for now. Stay tuned after the break when we put it to the test. Okay, so we're back and we have this set up and fully charged up, and just again we'll go over with the functions and features. So you have this long tube here with an extension here. You can reach into awkward spots, which just clips in there. You have this one here, and that's an extension again, and then you have the brush one here. So what we're going to do is give you 3 quick samples of it in operation and see how it goes from there. But again, it's lightweight, portable, pretty easy to use, easy to empty, and it's a built-in filter. So on to some quick demos. So this is just a quick demo on the floor, which we've left messy purposely. As you can see, does a good job. This is a quick demo on some carpets. And finally a demo in one of my vehicles. So that's all the demos. As you can see, it's pretty simple and straightforward. And to empty, you will just take off this here. This is the filter here. You can see all the rubbish caught in it, and then you just tip that into the bin. So pretty handy, pretty cool, effective. You won't get awards for suction power, but it's pretty decent. As you can see, it's done the job. But the main thing is here, it's portable. It's more so for vehicles than anything else, but it can be used at home. And portable, wireless, and very handy. Most of all, it's small. So that's the Audew wireless vacuum cleaner. Stay tuned for more techbuzz.com.